This vegetable soup is purely vegetarian and vegan diet, but you can also make this for your kids, invalids, or anyone who just need nutrients from vegetables. It is tasty and easy to eat.
Look for me. Damn, I want the line. Always in the north side.
Now I started off using 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. You can choose to use butter, but I used sunflower oil and added in some garlic, ginger, and onion. Stir it. Now leave it to cook for a while. Add in a spice cube of choice, just a small bit of it, and then add in water. Whilst the water is boiling, add in your carrot. Carrot is harder, so it goes in first. Then add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now add in your onions, your green pepper. Let it simmer for a while. And then finally add in your spring onion. Now make sure your heat is very low now. Add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, which is completely optional. Now to thicken your sauce, in case you want a thicker sauce, you can add in 1 or 2 teaspoons of corn flour to thicken it, but if you do not want that option, you don't have to. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very simple recipe.